everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. I'm about to leave for the hospital, and right now I'm feeling so much of emotions, a lot of mixed feelings. My house is completely empty. I don't have my dog with me, I don't have my daughter with me. Both of them have been kept in the care by someone so that when I leave, they are at a place and they are being taken care of. बहुत डर लग रहा है मुझे, बहुत एंग्शियस फील कर रही हूँ. We are just about to leave now, me and my husband. Everything is packed. Yesterday I had my last checkup with the doctor, and doctor suggested that I need to get admitted today so that the delivery can happen tomorrow. And tonight is when we will be getting admitted, so all the tests can be done, and tomorrow early morning we can start the labor procedure. So I just thought I will record this moment. I wasn't able to record earlier today. Today of all days, I was really feeling very low. I had cold, cough, fever, and the entire day I was trying to rest. Also, a lot of things going on in my mind in terms of packing, making sure everything is available for me to take with me. So finally सब कुछ हो गया है packed, and I'm leaving this house now, and I'll be back with another member to join the family. Hope so. Everything goes well. Please, please pray for me. I appreciate all your best wishes, all your good wishes for me that you all have been showering on me. I just need to go through this now, and yeah, I'm very nervous, very worried how everything will happen. Even though this is my second time, honestly, it's been what 8-9 years ago when I first delivered. So this is just as new as an experience for me as it was the first time. This time it's very different as compared to how it was at that time. I had people around me. Now I'm managing all alone by myself with no help in the house. But I know God is there and He's taking care of things. So just have to go through this by ourselves. And let's see how much I can capture. I will share it with all of you as and when I can. I just spoke with my daughter. She's gone. It's been, I think, half an hour that she has gone to the people's place who is going to take very good care of her. I know that. But she calls me to check what's the gender of the baby. That's so crazy. I mean, I've not even gone to the hospital yet because we were just trying to finalize all the last minute packing, and she thought the delivery has happened. So I just spoke to her and I felt so funny, but yeah, I mean, what do I say? She's a little girl. She's also anxiously waiting for a little sibling. And yeah, let's see how everything goes. ओके सो हम लोग अभी अभी हॉस्पिटल में आए हैं एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया, रूम मिल गया. मैंने सोचा फटाक से एक रूम टूर कर लूँ, तो बस अब ये रूम टूर आपको दिखा देती हूँ. यहाँ से एंट्री होती है. सो व्हेन यू एंटर, ये मेरा बेड होगा एंड अ टेबल नेक्स्ट टू मी. ये डोर है, यहाँ से एंट्री करोगे तो देयर इज़ अ टीवी. यहाँ पे भी एक कबर्ड है. बज रहा अभी रात का 11. दिस इज़ आवर बैग दैट वी हैव ब्रॉट. यहाँ पे बाथरूम रहेगा. दिस इज़ द बाथरूम. दिस इज़ एन AC स्मॉल रूम. सो ये होगा AC यूनिट, विंडो, एंड ये एक एक्स्ट्रा सा स्लीपिंग एरिया जहाँ मेरे हस्बैंड अभी फ़िलहाल आराम कर रहे हैं. एंड दैट इज़ इट. छोटा सा रूम बुक किया था हमने, AC रूम. सो आपको मैं 360 डिग्री व्यू दिखा देती हूँ. देखो ऐसा रहता है. So pretty comfy, pretty cozy. This is the gown that I need to change into, and we are now just waiting for the baby to come out. The delivery will happen tomorrow. For now, this is how our arrangements have worked, where we'll be in this room, and yes, we'll spend the night here, and जो भी होगा कल सुबह से start होगा. So that will be another day altogether. But for now, everyone, good night. See you tomorrow. तो आज है दूसरा दिन हॉस्पिटल में, विच इज़ 16 जुलाई. सुबह हम अराउंड 6 AM उठ गए थे. सो वी हैड आवर ब्रेकफास्ट विच वॉज सर्व्ड एट 7. गॉट फ्रेश एंड उसके बाद जो जो रेगुलर चेकअप्स करना था वो सारी चीज़ें भी हो गए. वी जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द डॉक्टर टू कम एंड स्टार्ट द इंडक्शन प्रोसेस. आई एम चेंज्ड इनटू दिस गाउन कल रात को ही, ताकि सारे चेकअप्स जो है वो ईजिली हो सके इन दिस काइंड ऑफ हॉस्पिटल अटायर. So yeah, that's the update so far. Baja hai around 8:30 and we are waiting for the induction process to start. And let's see how the day goes. So I have got my first tablet taken as part of the induction process, and I can start the pain. I can start feeling the pain. I'm not sure if that's what the pain is, but I am feeling some sort of uneasiness and some sort of cramps. So I'm hoping that's the process which has started, and I hope it goes well. So it's around 5:30, 5:44, and my cramps have been coming and going every 5-6 minutes odd. So that's the update. I think after the second dose, which I took at 3, my cramps have the frequency has started to increase. I just experienced one cramp and I was able to now come to my senses and quickly take the camera and record what's going on. So that's the update so far. I have my cramps going and coming every 5-6 minutes odd. Now let's see what happens. Okay. So अभी ये IV लगाया हुआ है and I have this thing stuck to me which is actually going to be acting like a painkiller. So my contractions have started and it is getting worse and worse and worse, and I'm laughing right now, but the moment the pain starts I go all crazy and I just scream so loudly. But that's what is the case right now. I'm laughing, my husband is making me laugh, which is a good thing, but when it is paining and I have to laugh, then it's not a good thing. But anyways, we don't know what's the next update. So I've taken my one more dose of the tablets at 9, and it's 9 p.m. now. So let's see what happens next. So far I'm still getting contractions. I think I'm going to get one now again. Oh no. Okay, bye.